Tonight on The Late Show, Mayor Pete Buttigieg. He's a highly articulate, Harvard-educated veteran of the war in Afghanistan, but he's never hosted a reality show or sold mail-order steaks, so bit of a long shot.
There's still a chance, right? The Late Show with Stephen Colbert and Indiana Mayor and presidential candidate Pete Buttigieg is just a few minutes away. But first, the man of the half hour.
Of the half hour, yes.
Of the half hour, of every hour of these past 10 days or so.
Yeah, you know what? It's doing what it's forecast to do. So the eye is still offshore, which is good. Still going to hammer the North Carolina coast overnight. But the winds are down a little bit. The pressure's up, and that's always something we look at in terms of determining how strong the storm is and if it's strengthening or if it's weakening a little bit. In this case, it's weakening a little bit, so that's good. Still a Category 2, kind of a low-end Category 2. Now winds are 100 miles per hour, and it is about 35 miles southeast of Wilmington, North Carolina. The forward speed has picked up a bit, northeast at 13, and that will continue to happen overnight and continue overnight. We talked about this past couple of days that overnight Thursday into Friday morning would pick up, and it will. By the time we get into tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, it's right around Hatteras, and it may just pass east of the Outer Banks. If that were the case, that would do two things. It wouldn't make landfall on the U.S. mainland, and it would keep the highest winds and highest storm surge offshore. Still, we're going to see hurricane-force winds along eastern North Carolina tomorrow morning. It moves quickly on out to sea, but it's so big it's going to keep winds at our coast probably until midnight Saturday of significant winds. So these are actual observations. Again, nothing really jumps out at you here. 50-mile-per-hour wind in Jacksonville. 32-mile-per-hour wind gust in Beaufort. Hatteras is up to 36, been 55 at Oak Island, but nothing above hurricane force yet. There's been a couple of reports earlier this evening of winds up to about 78 miles per hour in a gust. So here's the forecast. Notice this red circle. Those are hurricane force winds. So it does have a hurricane force wind of 76 miles per hour, a gust, mind you, tomorrow at 7 o'clock, Hatteras. And then it moves out very, very quickly. By 7 p.m. on Friday, the wind fields are out to sea, but the winds, notice, are kind of still strong. 44-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Ocean City with the storm 100 miles or several hundred miles east of the ocean, east of the Ocean City. And even by the time we get to Saturday evening, winds are still gusting to 22 in Atlantic City and 31 in Islip as the storm moves further away toward Nova Scotia, which, again, I mentioned this earlier, it's kind of cool. They're under hurricane watch. You don't see that too often. Okay, we have a tropical storm warning, southern Maryland, Lower Bay. Let's break it down. Let's go down to, say, Reedville and Tangier Island, okay? Winds there 25 to 45 miles per hour. Rain an inch or less. Flooding low to moderate. But remember, with tidal flooding, we're going to have flooding with the storm, and then as the water sloshes back over the weekend, you'll have 2 days of some tidal flooding. A little further north, now we'll say Scotland Beach over to Natticoke. Winds are less because we've gone further north away from the storm, 20 to 40. Less than a half an inch of rain, no doubt about that. Flooding, low. The main impact is going to be at our shore. Bethany, Fenwick Island, North Bethany, Dewey, Rehoboth up to Cape May. Winds 30 to 60, and quite frankly, more like 30 to 50. 1 to 2 inches of rain possible, but not a flooding problem with that. Waves 6 to 10. Yeah, beach erosion, rip currents, that is a given. And why? Look at these temperatures. Look at the water temperatures off Hatteras. And look at the lightning picking up now, so that means some storms are beginning to grow. 83 right now. So it wouldn't be surprised to see it at least remain this strong or pick up a little bit overnight. But it's not going to get any energy from the water temperatures off Ocean City, only in the low 70s. Storm surge, Surf City. Maybe a storm surge of 8 feet. Not as bad at Cape Lookout, but on some of the Outer Banks, north of Hatteras, up toward Duck, that could be an 8-foot storm surge. Storm surge is not a problem for us in Ocean City and our ocean resorts. That was never the kind of a storm to do that, maybe 3 feet, 4 feet. So you folks in Winchester and Martinsburg and Hagerstown, you have a fantastic day tomorrow. Even downtown, just a few showers possible. Low impact in southern Maryland, a moderate impact across the bay. So these are rip currents. See, as the water goes back out, and that's going to be occurring all weekend. Please don't swim, because after this storm passes, it's going to be nice. You have incoming waves, but then some of the water drains back out into the ocean, and I don't care how good of a swimmer you are, how strong you are, don't try to swim. It'll drag you under. So don't panic. All you have to do is swim parallel to shore, maybe 30, 40, maybe 90 feet, and then you'll be able to get back into shore. And I say that because it's going to be tempting, because it's going to be nice Saturday and Sunday at the shore.